Energy efficiency, that's interesting because building is a big one. 40% of all energy is being used in buildings, and that's one of the reasons why we put buildings and energy management together, because you need to not only efficiently transmit energy, but you need to also save it and optimize it, both in the industry and the building side. So if I look from my side, the biggest thing we can do is to actually optimize both the energy efficiency in the building and the energy efficiency in the industry. The other thing we want to do, and that's something which I always think about, is most of the grids are not digitalized. So on the high voltage side, 100% of the grids are digitalized, but on the low voltage and medium voltage side, it's 5 to 10% of the grids. And the only time the data is being used if something goes wrong. So in order to sort of start optimizing the efficiency of these networks, we need to digitalize them much more, so that we optimize not only the usage, but also the distribution of this energy, because it becomes really sort of bi-directional.
Right, so can you give some examples of easy to measure KPIs that you use for basically improvements in the energy management? What should people look at?
You're asking on energy management. I'm going to go from high to low. So,
sure.
Am I producing energy which is not being used? Mm-hmm. Germany produces €1 billion of wind power which never reaches the end customer. That's a problem. So that's inefficient. The second one is how much energy am I using to be able to run my production or to run my building? I'll give you 2 examples. We managed to reduce our carbon footprint and our energy usage in our headquarters we built using our technology by 90%. And this goes from LEDs to optimizing on when do you sort of heat and cool the capability. So that's one thing you do. Or in industries, it's even in the processes. So we work, and one of the examples we always give is we work with Gestamp, in which we basically put an energy management system to say how efficiently are your stamping equipment. But because of that, we could say, you know, this stamping equipment is better than this one, and you can learn one for the other. So back to your question, it goes from optimizing this distribution, optimizing the consumption, and even optimizing processes. These are the 3 big things, which were very concrete examples on how to actually make it better.